So, Ravi, could you explain to me some kind of B2C features that you have helped with to online merchants?
One feature that comes to my mind is subscriptions. You can subscribe and save. What it allows the customer is to get some discounts and get easy reordering on a schedule, 30-day, 60-day, 90-day. And it's good for merchant because it gives continuity in sales.
And are there any other kind of subscriptions you can talk us about?
Yes, there's different kinds. There can be free trial. You can get a 14-day free trial before you enroll them into a subscribe and save kind of model. There can be magazine subscriptions where you are delivering a different SKU every month. There can be content library subscription where you are having access to a library like Audible or Netflix, and you pay a monthly fee. And there are different levels and tiers on it. You can access 2 audiobooks or 3 audiobooks or 4 audiobooks. So you can have different tiers in content access. There are those kind of subscriptions.
And do you think there's an ideal subscription for each kind of industry or sector, or on what depends that?
I mean, ideal, like in publishing industry, the magazine subscription is more complicated. Why? Because when you are subscribing to a magazine subscription, at that time, the SKU is not added to the system. The magazine that is going to be printed, let's say 6 months down the line, that is not created. So managing those subscription, because every time a regeneration of an order happens, it's a different SKU that needs to be attached to that order. So that there are some nuances to the industries. The subscription implementation varies. Another one that I can think of is in personal healthcare product. It's very common to give free trial, or in SaaS subscription, it's very common to give free trials. So when the free trial is introduced, then there is different email, content, communication, notifications. Those things are varying depending on the industry vertical.